Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung labas. Yung view ng hotel namin. Of course, jump yung asawa ko. So guys, nagsaswimming na yung mag-ama. Ayan, kita niyo ba? This is much better than swimming pool. Hey, wait, I'm... Yung naririnig yung may nagkakarope. Ito na yung buong hotel. Ayan, hanggang doon. Guys, may gala night sila. Pinatugtog. Good morning. It is now past 8. Nagising ako ng 8.
Oh, I look weird.
Yeah.
I do
Good.
look weird.
Why would you look weird? Good morning. Mag-aalas 9 na guys. Come do your face. Put a lot of sunscreen. Hmm?
Yeah.
Good morning. It is time to breakfast. Magna-9 na guys. This is our first day and pwede lang kami kasi kakain kami ng breakfast. Nagising ako ng before 8. Naririnig ko yung labas. Maingay. And but anyhow, ayun ang pinunta namin dito. Sun. Papa, can you put sunscreen in your face? Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung labas. Yung view ng hotel namin. It's fucking warm. Ay, it's warm. Welcome to Antalya. Ayan ang view. Plus 33 na guys. Ayan yung swimming pool. Ayan yung beach. Punta kami dun mamaya. For now, kakain muna kami. Pang adult yata yun. Yung pool na yun. Walang batang available. Walang batang pwedeng pumunta na. Anyway, alis na kami. Let's go, let's go. Oy. Ready?
You have a cart with you?
No.
Huh?
No.
You want one?
No, we're going together. So, outfit for today. Come, Alex. And Alex outfit. Behind. Inside is naka-swimsuit na kaming dalawa. We're both wearing swimsuit. But magbe-breakfast lang naman kami. So, go, go, go. Let's go. Guys, ang daming food, ang daming pagpipilian.
The social anxiety now.
I don't care anymore. Nakain ako ng oatmeal na may milk. Bacon lang input. At sobrang daming pagpipilian, hindi ko alam kung kukain ko. I might get a bread. Ang ganda dito guys. Maraming choices. Katuwa. Ah, that's the one I'm talking about. Avocado and it looks good. We're gonna go up and change. Papa will change. Then we have to get our towel.
Towels down here?
No. I saw our towel in there.
Huh?
There's towel in the cabinet for outside. Where is the lunch?
Here?
Here too. And the dinner as well.
I mean, unless you book some of the special restaurants.
How many do we have?
I don't know.
You mean a la carte?
Yeah.
Spider-Man, guys. Swimming na kami sa init. It's plus 37. It's not that bad. Which one is more Philippines or here?
The Philippines, obviously.
It's more humid in the Philippines, I think.
No, I thought you meant which one I like more.
Ah, of course, I like Philippines more, but which one is more? Warm. I think our room is there.
Philippines.
Nandun yung room namin.
Philippines is warm.
Yeah, it's humid.
Where do you want to wait?
I wanna be under. You have to find a spot.
I feel like this.
There's no available one. Let's look. So guys, nagsaswimming na yung mag-ama. Ayan, kita niyo ba? Ayan. Super duper init, guys. It's plus 37, I think. And pahirapan makahanap ng spot dito around kasi ang bilis ng mga tao. Nailagay agad nila yung towel nila. Anyway, nandito ako sa part, ito indoor pool yan. Nandito ako sa harapan ng indoor pool kasi puno na dun sa harapan ng pool. It's nice actually. It's feels like Philippines. Ang init, sobrang init, but hindi siya humid katulad ng Pilipinas na wala talagang kahangin-hangin. Ito medyo may hangin naman since nandito yung dagat. Ayan. So yeah, wala kaming plano today. Mag-ano lang kami, take it easy. Swimming, punta dun sa dagat. Tapos kain, tulog since puyat kami kagabi. Tapos sa Tuesday, pupunta kami sa city ng Antalya. Mag-iikot kami, yung Old Town, yung Duden Falls. Pupuntahan namin, magre-rent kami ng car. Kami lang yun nandito, as you can see. Mas maganda actually dito kasi hindi masyadong mainit. I mean, yung sun, hindi direct. Unlike dyan, direct yung sun. Although meron naman silang mga umbrella. It's nice, actually. Hindi pala dito yung room namin, dun sa kabila. Meron kasing pool dito na for adult only. So, bawal si Alex. I mean, pwede ako at saka si Ronnie. Si Alex hindi pwede. Pinaliguan ko sila ng bonggang-bonggang sunscreen. At si Ronnie for sure is magkakaroon ng sunburn. Kasi lagi siya nagkaka-sunburn. But anyway, relax lang muna ako. Merong drinks na free doon sa side na yon. Cocktail siya. Included lahat, guys. Papunta kami sa beach, guys. Hi! Kahit na, even though it's warm in here, it's blowing. So, makes it nice. May bonggambilya, oh. We call it bonggambilya in the Philippines. Check namin yung
I swear, if my own classmates look at my videos, I'm gonna
It's
go
okay.
Godzilla.
Rawr! May mga kabana sila, guys. But ito, may bayad yan. Yan. May extra bayad, parang 600 crowns yata. Tapos may outdoor gym sila. Yeah, but I don't want outdoor gym. Yeah, right. Where should we go?
Should we get one of those houses?
No, that's 600 crowns for 1 day only. If it's the whole week, sure. It's only 1 day.
And you want to walk in town with this?
Yeah, why not? There's shades in town, so.
Wait, this is cool.
Yeah, but this one cost.
But it's cool.
I know.
Why can't you just go in there? No one's watching.
Yeah, I would like and sleep there. I could take a nap here, Papa. You know, our afternoon nap. Ang ganda ng kabana. Sayang may bayad. Ayaw na namin magbayad, of course. Ang mahal-mahal ng trip na to.
Huh?
There you go. Lalabas na kami.
This is really grass.
It's tropical grass. Of course, jump yung asawa ko. Go with Papa. Look at him. Papa, you're breaking it. Ito, restaurant yan, a la carte. Kakain kami dyan ng dinner isang araw. Ito na, ang in front of the beach. So nice. Tapos may mga kids club din sila. Ayan. Activities para sa mga bata. Oy, French extreme.
Spider-Man to grab you.
Spider-Man is here. Hi! Beach! Hello!
Welcome, man.
Thank you!
Thank you.
The beach is beaching! Ang laki nito, ang haba. From there. Yes, tapos may mga water sports sila dyan pwedeng gawin. Nice! Let's stay here. Is this much better than swimming pool? It's colder.
It's warm.
Yeah?
Honey, I think that's good.
No, it's fine. I will go there soon. I just want to take videos. Ay, lakas ng alon. Oh my god, they're back. Hello guys. Nagla-lunch kami.
It's like the average.
After namin mag-beach kanina, dumiretso kami dun sa indoor pool. Nag-stay kami ng mga 10 to 15 minutes. Tapos, makit na kami sa room namin, naligo, nagpalit ng damit. Tapos nag-book kami ng ano pala guys, ng car. Sorry. Para, nag-rent kami ng car para iikot kami sa city sa Tuesday. Tapos yung excursion namin sa Friday. Yeah, yun lang. Alas 2 na. So it means mag-nanap na kami ni Ron. Nagre-rest kami. Siguro medyo lumamig. Tapos labas ulit kami mamaya. May cinema sila guys. It's just a commercial. Tapos meron silang games room. May PS5. Walang tao sa loob. Check natin. Ah, walang tao. Ganda ng chandelier. Tapos na kami kumain. Nakakit na kami sa room namin. At magdanap, magpapahinga. Meron din sila. Ito yung lunch room. Dito kami nag-lunch at breakfast. Dito meron silang parang meriendahan. Kapihan. Punta ako dyan mamaya. But, pero dun sa room namin, may libreng kape. May Nespresso sila. Pwede rin naman dun ako magkape. Ito na guys pala. Pag-araw. Nandito na kami sa room guys. Diyos ko, mukha na akong negra. Ano na nangyari? Hindi na fresh. Fresh ka pa ba? Titingin si kuya ng ng a la carte dinner namin. When are we doing it?
I don't know.
What kind of restaurant they have? They have Saffron Turkish restaurant, Aqua Grill restaurant, Ocean Fish, Olive Italian. How many a la carte do we have? Wait, I'm English.
I like the flag.
That's scary, Papa.
Do you like flag cake?
Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I can't choose between that one and the
Nandito kami sa beach, guys. Pagkagising. Ikot-ikot lang. Nagtanong kami ng prices ng water sports. Because Alex wants to do the sausage.
No,
Play.
The sausage ride. The
I can't-
sausage boat.
I
She
can't.
wants to do
Wait,
it.
I can't choose between the sausage and the sofa.
Sofa, which one is sofa?
Well, the sofa.
I think that is nice if you're a lot. I think
No, there was like
Not that big.
like the circular sofa. The circular.
I don't want it faster. We might fall. But this one, banana boat, I know I can hold it.
Dude, I will fall.
You will fall in sofa.
No, it will be. No, okay.
I actually thought it said 8. Something like that.
That's what I thought too.
We do it. It's so
Yeah.
Okay.
When we say 8, that's so cheap. I want to do that.
Cheap what?
No, it's 80. It's
It's like
800.
1,000
1,000.
pounds.
A banana boat or the other one? You choose, Alex.
I'll get the banana boat.
Okay.
And then are we doing another one?
No, only
No,
one.
this one looks funny.
Yeah, we can do sofa too.
Can we do both?
No, it's expensive.
Okay. Well
It's
then.
250 each. And then the sofa is 400
Banana
each.
boat is cheap.
Yeah, the banana boat is the cheapest.
Okay. Well.
There you go again. Hello. Hi.
I will
what about
make
this?
you. I will. I would. Yeah.
And you have your own.
Oh, one each. What about this, Alex?
What?
Ringo.
Ringo?
You sit on your.
It's like sofa, but you're sitting alone.
I will fall.
Where I'm gonna fall to. But of course, we're wearing a vest. More cats.
More cats.
May karaoke sila dun, guys. Doon. Yung naririnig yung may nagkakaraoke. Ito na yung buong hotel. Ayan. Hanggang doon.
Let's go fishing. No, I'm joking. Let's ride on a banana.
Banana.
Yep.
Okay. How's life, Papa? Guys, grabe, ang init. Nakaupo kami doon, oh. Nandun yung dalawa. Ayan. Biglang nagbukas yung fountain. Tapos, guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung buong resort. Ayan. Ayan na yung pinaka buong hotel. 3 level siya. 1, 2, 3. Itong level na to, yung third, pang adult talaga. Walang bata. Itong middle, ito is pang adult plus teenager. Katulad namin. Kasi teenager na sa alit. Ito, ayan yung pang family. May bata. Pinaghiwa-hiwalay nila para syempre may mga adult na ayaw na masyadong maingay. Eh, di ba pag may bata, maingay. So, yan. Ang laki ng ng resort. Super laki. Parang siyang hacienda. Ganda! Busy yung asawa ko kasi gusto niya pumunta sa water park bukas. Eh, yung water park, super expensive. Parang nasa 8,000 pesos. Almost 10,000 pesos per head. Hindi naman ako sumasakay sa mga slides na yan. So, for me, hindi siya worth it. Gusto niya. So, did you see anything? Masarap sanang umupo sa kabana. Ayan. Kaya lang, ang mahal. Katuwa dito, guys, kasi talagang included lahat sa binayaran namin. Mahal yung binayaran namin. Ayoko nang isipin at sumasakit yung ulo ko, guys. Guys, may gala night sila. Pinatugtog. Ayan, natugtog. Nakadress yung mga tao. Kami, busy pa rin sila.
Hey, can we go on a ride with 3 of us in it?
I don't do rides, Alex.
You're boring.
I am. I'm scared of heights.
Heights? What's that gonna do? Oh, that cat.
Hello guys, nandito na ulit kami sa bed. It is, what's the time? It's 10, right?
Yep.
It's 10. Soon 10. Pagkakain namin ng dinner kanina. Lumabas lang kami. Tapos yun lang. That's end of our day. And now we're gonna watch a movie. Together. What are we gonna watch?
Garfield. The
Garfield.
movie.
Meron kaming snacks galing sa baba. And nagkakape ako. So yeah. That's it for today. I didn't really vlog much after the... Yeah, before the dinner. Right? I forgot. But anyway, I wanna say goodbye. Thank you for today. See you tomorrow. We're gonna ride a sausage boat tomorrow.
I wanna fall.
You wanna fall? Okay. I don't wanna be in front, by the way. You're gonna be in front. You're gonna be in the middle. I'm in the back. Deal? Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye. Say bye.
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 Hindi ko napansin, libre pala yung tubig. Ayun, kukuha ka lang nila. Tapos, may towel. Nafe-feel ko guys, ang init na. Sarap na mag-swimming. Ayan sila. Hi!